I will give you one pastry recipe that you will admire its shape and taste. It is very easy and fun to make. Make sure to save this recipe. The recipe begins. 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of dry yeast, 1 cup warm milk. The container I use is 250 milliliters. 1 cup warm water. Mix well until the yeast and sugar dissolve. Two eggs. I separate one yolk for the top. Half a cup of vegetable oil. Mix well. Please add the flour in a controlled way. I used a total of 800 grams. Mix the dough with the spatula first, and this will make your job much easier. One teaspoon of salt before kneading. 1 tablespoon cold butter, 60 g full. After adding butter and salt, knead well. Do you like being in the kitchen like me? It is my job to try different and new recipes. The dough of this pastry is perfect. Cover and leave for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, knead the dough very little. The dough will be much more beautiful with this method. Cover again and leave for half an hour. The dough was very well fermented. I'll take the dough off the counter and cut it into pieces. The dough must be very soft. Drill the dough right in the middle and make a ring. If you make a big ring like this, it will be easier. I made balls of equal size from the dough. I use very little flour. Please watch carefully. It is really easy and fun to make. Thank you so much for your likes, comments and channel subscription. I use cheese for the filling. You can use any type of cheese you want. I separate the dough. I cut into 2 sides. Wrap the dough well. What do you think it looks like? Please write me in the comments. I really enjoyed making this cake. I prepared all the dough. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil to the egg yolk. Very little molasses. Molasses makes you blush better. You don't have to use it if you're not at home. Apply well on the donuts. Are you seeing my channel for the first time? Please write to me. Bake in a preheated oven of 185 degrees. Delicious pastries are cooked. It was soft and incredibly delicious. Bon appetit to those who will try. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy watching more closely.